Welcome. In this demonstration, I'll look at how the Platform Application Center can be customized. I'll look at more advanced customization techniques in the next module when I talk about extending the portal. I'm logged into the Application Center as an administrator. I'll select the Settings tab. I can add and remove portal users and groups of users in the site settings. User profiles can come from the OS level or name services like NIS, LDAP, or Active Directory. To control access to Application Center functions, I can associate users with roles. In this case, we have several assigned to a role called Normal User. Each role implies a set of permissions that we see in the lower panel. I'll open the Users tab and see how these roles are defined. From this screen, I can modify existing roles or create new roles depending on my needs. I'll modify the definition of a normal user. As an illustration, I've decided I want to give my users in this group access to the simple reporting functions we saw earlier. The permissions model is very granular. By creating my own role definitions, I've got almost unlimited flexibility to determine who has access to what functions. I'll provide my normal users with access to reporting. For even more flexibility, I can assign users to multiple roles. This simplifies configuration by reducing the number of roles I need to define. I'll select User and Group List. George is a cluster user, but he also has administrator rights on the cluster. I'll look at this user. The actual combined permissions are shown in the lower panel. A nice feature of the Application Center is that role-based access controls apply to custom extensions to the portal as well as built-in services. I'll look at how to realize these extensions in the next module. Let's look at how we can customize the appearance of the portal. Many sites will want to perform basic customizations, replacing the standard header with their own organization's logo and adjusting color schemes to suit their tastes. Basic configuration of this type can be done right through the web interface. Web-savvy developers can of course modify the underlying CSS style sheets for more configurability. Preferences related to job notifications, screen refresh, and remote console configurations are easily made online as well. I can control details like the number of console sessions each user is allowed to maintain to the servers. In the next modules, I'll show how the functionality of the portal can be extended by changing menu options, adding custom services and workflows, and using a flexible web services API. Thank you for your attention.